Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to convert a WAV file to MP3. So this is a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to have a link in the description of the video to this audio conversion site. It's completely free, doesn't require any additional emails or limits to how many files you can convert. I use this regularly. This website is really good at a lot of different things like audio cutting as well, but I just wanted to put that out there. So we're going to just go ahead and left click on open files on this page, and then underneath desktop, that's where I currently have my WAV file. I'm going to just double click on it. You could also select multiple files as well, and they could all convert at the same time, so that's another feature I like about this tool. So now for step number 2, you want to make sure MP3 is selected. You can change quality if you want over here. It doesn't matter too much to me, but standard is usually sufficient for most people. And then you just want to go ahead and left click on convert once you've made your selections. Should say conversion complete. Again, depending on how big your file is, it might affect how long the conversion process takes. And now for the download button, you want to right click on this hyperlink, left click on save link as. Now you can change this file name. It's going to include the website name in the actual file name, so you can just get rid of that if you don't want it and just call it, again, whatever you really want, doesn't really matter. I'm going to just call it converted new music just to differentiate from the original file, and just click on save to save it to our desktop. And now if we close out of here, you can see we have two files, and the original, if we right clicked on it and left click on properties, you can see it's a WAV file, and our newly converted file, if you right clicked on it, properties, it is an MP3 file. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.